Hello traders, welcome back to PipsTraders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continued support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, we're going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. Let us look at the price action from the higher time frame to lower time frame and mark the current trend of the price action and mark the support and resistance levels for each time frames. And when we look at the economical events plan for today is Tuesday, Jan 24th. We have Chinese bank holiday. At 1:45 p.m. we have medium impact news plan for euro related currency pairs. At 3 p.m. we have high impact news for British pound related currency pairs. And at 8:15 p.m. we have high impact news for US dollar related currency pairs. So we can expect lots of volatility in the market today. Let us begin our gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame now. Here in daily time frame, I've already done a bullish channel pattern. And based on this bullish channel pattern, every time the price action tests this midline of this bullish channel pattern, we have noticed a price action to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. And currently we are noticing the price action to again test this midline of the bullish channel pattern. So already we are noticing some sort of consolidation to happen over here. So I just want to let you know that there are chances for the price action to bounce back on the bearish side retracement, because in the past we have noticed it to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. And if the price action bounces back on the bearish side retracement, this bullish channel pattern trend line or the support line is going to be acting as a support for the future price action. And once the price action crosses this midline of this bullish channel pattern, we can expect a further continuation of the bullish trend in daily time frame also. So for now, the current trend of the price action in daily time frame is in a bullish trend, and it is finding a resistance on the midline of this bullish channel pattern. Wait for it to break this resistance line in order to freshly enter into the bullish side trade in daily time frame. And when we look at the current Fibonacci's resistance levels, previously we have noticed a price action to take support on the 61.80% and to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. So once this price action breaks this resistance line, we can expect it to test the resistance level of 78.60% of the Fibonacci's tool, which is going to be around 1973. And even if the price action bounces back on the bearish side retracement, we can expect it to again take support on the 61.80%, which is around the level of 1896. And only when the price action breaks this support level of 1896, we can expect it to fall further and to take support on the bullish channel pattern trend line or the support line. So these are all the resistance and support levels for current price action in daily time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the support level of 1896 and resistance level of 1974. Once the price action breaks this midline of the bullish channel pattern, we can expect it to test the immediate resistance level of 1976. And once this level is broken, next level of resistance is going to be the bullish channel pattern resistance line and the resistance level of 2072. And if the price action bounces back on the bearish side retracement, the immediate support is going to be around 1896, 1842, 1788, 1723 and 1615. And the current trend of the price action in daily time frame is in a bullish trend. Let us look at the price action in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame. In 4 hours time frame also we are noticing the price action to be trending on a very strong bullish trend. And we can notice that the price action is consolidating within this midline of the bullish channel pattern and the trend line of this 4 hours time frame. Wait for a price action to give a direction breakout on the bullish side or on the bearish side, breaking this support line or the resistance line, based on which you can enter into the directional trade in bullish trend or in the bearish side. But still we can expect it to continue its bullish trend as long as it is trading above this support line from the 4 hours time frame. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame, and in hourly time frame we can clearly understand that it went on a bullish side retracement, and currently the price action is in a bearish side retracement to retest on this 4 hours time frame trend line or the support line. So I would recommend you to wait for the price action to break this consolidation or the resistance line from the hourly time frame in order to enter into the bullish side trade. But again, it has to break this midline of this bullish channel pattern also in order to freshly enter into the bullish side trade in hourly time frame, or wait for the price action to give a breakout on the bearish side from this 4 hours time frame trend line in order to freshly enter into the bearish side trade in hourly time frame. For now, the current price action is under a consolidation within this support line from the 4 hours time frame and the resistance line from the hourly time frame in a triangle pattern. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Currently the price action is trying to break the resistance level of 1932. Once this resistance level is broken, next level of resistance it's going to be around 1937, 1944, 1953, 1964 and 1979. And if the price action bounces back from this resistance level, next level of support is going to be around 1927, 1921 and 1911. And currently the price action is under consolidation. Wait for a directional breakout in order to enter into the directional trade in hourly time frame. But the overall trend of the price action in hourly time frame is also in a bullish trend. Let us look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame. In 30 minutes time frame also we are noticing the price action to be respecting this resistance line from the hourly time frame and the support line from the 4 hours time frame, and currently it is under a consolidation. Wait for the price action to give a direction breakout on the bullish side or on the bearish side, based on which you can enter into the directional trade in 30 minutes time frame also. Or if you are a scalper, you could be trading within this resistance line and the support line, but please trade with a very tight stop loss. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1931 and support level of 1927. Once the price action breaks this resistance level of 1931, next level of resistance is going to be around 1937. Please refer the hourly time frame resistance levels for the bullish side. And if the price action bounces back from this resistance level of 1931, the immediate support is going to be around 1927, 1924, 1921, 1917 and 1911. And currently the price action in 30 minutes time frame is also under a consolidation within a triangle pattern. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 15 minutes time frame. I am in 15 minutes time frame. When we look at the price action in 15 minutes time frame, it has tested this resistance line from the hourly time frame, and we are noticing the price action to fall on a bearish side retracement after testing the support line from the 4 hours time frame. We have noticed it to bounce back on the bullish side retracement, and again it has retested this resistance line from the hourly time frame. So looking at the past price action, we can expect the price action to again bounce back on the bearish side retracement, based on which you can enter into the bearish side trade, or wait for the price action to break this resistance line, because overall trend of the price action is in a bullish trend, and also to break this midline of the bullish channel pattern from the daily time frame in order to freshly enter into the bullish side trade in 15 minutes time frame also. So we have two levels of resistance in the 15 minutes time frame, which is preventing the price action from trending on the bullish side trend. But once the price action breaks its resistance levels, it will be the confirmation on the continuation of the bullish trend in 15 minutes time frame. And once the price action breaks this support line from the 4 hours time frame, it will be the confirmation on the start of the bullish side retracement in 15 minutes time frame. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 15 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the support level of 1931 and resistance level of 1934. Once the price action breaks this resistance level of 1934, next level of resistance is going to be around 1938 and 1943. And if the price action bounces back on the bearish side and breaks this support level of 1931, next level of support is going to be around 1928, 1926, 1925, 1922 and 1919. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.